Hi, welcome to the Reiki Level 1 Attunement. You don't need to do anything special for this attunement to reach you. This attunement flows through me to you on the quantum field. We are all connected on one infinite sea of consciousness in one energy field. We are not bound or separated by time or space. Energy flows from one person to the next instantly. We can send and receive energy. This is why we do distance healing or remote healings. It's still just as effective, which is great because it allows me to be able to attune you today. It's just as powerful as if I was attuning you in person. So that makes it so much easier because no matter where you are in the world, you can receive this attunement. So if you would like, you can lay down or you can just sit, spine straight, eyes closed, get into a nice relaxed state of mind. Just start taking some deep breaths, and I want you to close your eyes and turn them in and upward towards the third eye. And I want you to picture roots from the bottom of your feet going into the earth. Take some deep breaths in and out. And I want you to open up your crown chakra. Imagine a purple flower that's closed, sitting at the top of your head. And just see it bloom open, wide open like a flower. And just now see this white, beautiful light coming down from the heavens into your crown chakra. And I would like you to start drawing that energy in and down with your breath. With every inhale, it comes a little bit closer to your heart. We're going to pull that light all the way down to your feet, to those roots that we planted in the ground. Another deep, slow breath in, while seeing this beautiful white light flowing. Now it's in your heart center area. Take another deep breath in. Let it out. Draw that light from the heart down to the bottom of your spine. Deep breath in. Let it out. The next inhale, we're going to finish drawing that light all the way down to our feet to connect to those roots. Good. Now I want you to imagine the energy of the earth as a pink light, that like a rod of light that flows completely through the center of the earth and up into your feet. Take a deep breath in and start drawing that pink light up through your feet towards the heart. Good. Now see the pink light at your heart. Keep going. Drawing it up past the throat and up into your crown chakra. And now connect that light to the heavens. Just shoot that pink light up into infinity there. Good. Next, we're going to get in touch with our heart chakra. So I want you to see a glowing green light in the center of your chest. I want you to start feeling love in your heart. You're still breathing slowly. Now expand that energy of your heart to completely surround your whole body. see your body surrounded by the green heart chakra energy. You are completely surrounded now by universal love and light and the energy of Mother Earth. And now we will begin the Reiki Level 1 attunement. So I just ask you to be open to receive. I'm going to bring the Reiki healing energy in. Now I'm going to send the attunement flowing through me over the quantum field and into you. Just continue to breathe. You might feel warmth. You might feel a tingling sensation. You might feel pressure changers in your head or your heart, or somewhere else in your body. You could get the shivers or the goosebumps. There's so many different ways that your body is letting you know it is receiving this energy. You might get little twitches or shudders. And this is all natural and normal. You might become very, very relaxed and feel sleepy, like you want to close your eyes and go to sleep. And that is just fine. If you'd like to go to sleep, the attunement will still reach you. Continue to process, and when you awake, you will be attuned. Welcome back. You are now attuned to the Reiki Level 1 energy. You may now continue through the course, learning everything there is to know about Reiki Level 1, and you may now start your self-healing practice. Have fun with this, play around with it, experiment. You can't do anything wrong. You can't harm yourself. This is only positive healing energy. It will only do good for you, and it will only work miracles in your life. It's never going to harm you or hurt you, so you don't have to worry. So I just encourage you to play, experiment, learn, and grow. Take as much time as you need before you're ready to move on to Reiki Level 2. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I will be more than happy to help you. I'm so excited for you. Congratulations on your Reiki Level 1 attunement.